So the three weather briefings are standard, abbreviated, and Outlook. This morning we were going to go do a cross-country flight to get some maintenance, and the weather was too bad and we didn't go. If we would have called this morning, because we thought about going, got a standard weather briefing, then decided not to go. Standard is you're just calling the first time of the day, getting the information for a proposed flight. Then you're abbreviated. Let's say you call in the morning, you decide not to go, you call a few hours later, you can call back and get an abbreviated briefing. This is just an example of how the standard works and abbreviated works. Then you have your Outlook briefing. An Outlook briefing is for a flight that is proposed more than 6 hours in the future. It's not because you want to go to the beach tomorrow and you're just going to bug the guy at flight service. You're calling about an actual proposed flight that's further advanced into the future than 6 hours, and you want to get a general idea of whether the flight's going to be feasible, what's the weather going to be doing. So those are a quick breakdown of the three types of briefings. Examiner's going to ask you about them because you have to know these three. You need to know them for your written test. You need to know when you're calling up flight service. You need to have an intelligent conversation with the guy. So you need to know the three and the differences and when to use them. So thanks for stopping by. Please click the like button. Leave comments and feedback as always, and we'll see you on day 18. Thanks. You're still here? Good. So, for those of you that are still hanging around, this is a little more laid back. Not for the world to see. Well, it is if they're smart enough to hang around to see what tidbit they might get at the end. I'm going to give you a brief insight to the notebook, the training that we're doing, the online ground school, the website, the new website. Going to give all of that to you in a nutshell. Special link at the bottom of this description box below this video. If you go clear down to the bottom after we transcribe it, there's going to be a private link down there. Only people with the link are going to get to see the video. So thanks for sticking around to see the added extra special stuff we got going on. You want insight to what's happening and what we're doing? Bottom of the description box, find the link, click it, and as always, thanks for stopping by. Check it out, see what you think. See ya.